How to fix Face ID not working on your iPhone. To fix this issue, first of all, what you need to do is simply launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, there you will see Face ID and passcode option. Tap on that. From here, enter your passcode and there you will see Reset Face ID. Tap on it and reset your Face ID again. Once you do that, check if your problem has been solved or not. If your problem is still there, then the other step you need to follow is simply tap on General, then go through the Transfer or Reset iPhone and hit on the Reset and to reset all settings. After you hit Reset all settings, you need to enter your passcode. Once you enter that, your process will begin. Once you are done with it, your issue of Face ID not working will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.